Prime Minister Narendra Modi flag off Assam's first Vande Bharat Express in Guwahati today via video conferencing. The train will connect Guwahati with New Jalpaiguri. ISRO's GSLV F-12 rocket with NVS-01 was successfully launched at 10:42 from Sriharikota today. King of Cambodia, Norodom Sihamoni, arrived in New Delhi this afternoon on a 3-day visit to India. He was received by Minister of State for External Affairs, Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, upon arrival. Praveen Kumar Srivastava was today sworn in as the Central Vigilance Commissioner. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office to him at Rashtrapati Bhavan. In hockey, defending champions India put up a brilliant attacking display to trounce Thailand 17-0 in their final Pool A match in the Men's Junior Asia Cup 2023 in Salalah, Oman yesterday.